She was born in 1996. I prefer tea to coffee. We arrived at midnight. She is afraid of spiders. She isn't very good. Math. What is the answer? Comment below. Beginner, amateur, difficulty, adversity, attract, allure, before, prior, shy, bashful, mistake, blunder, rooster, hen, dog, bitch, bull, cow, drone, bee, gander, goose, lord, lady, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, wizard, witch, triangle, circle, cube, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. Very important person. Rest in peace. Chief Executive Officer. Laughing out loud. I don't know. As soon as possible. Point of view. Ante-meridiem. Post-meridiem. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, 1 quadrillion.